is a great topic, but you know what else it is?
What?
It's tax season.
Oh.
Yes.
I know, it's like my least favorite time of year, but the tax deadline is next Wednesday, and have you filed yet?
Well, if you haven't, H&R Block has some last-minute tips for you.
Major life changes aren't the only things affecting your tax return this year. The Affordable Care Act, for example, is penalizing those who are uninsured. Fees could amount to $95 per person or 1% of a family's total household income. H&R Block tax expert Kathy Pickering says Americans will pay even more next year.
So where it was $95 for last year, in the upcoming year it's going to be $325 per person or 2% of household income. And so if you're filing your taxes and you find out that you didn't have insurance, now you're paying a penalty, and you don't have insurance yet, there's this special enrollment period, which is your one last chance to get enrolled in insurance to avoid that penalty for the future.
To save money this year, look for hidden exemptions and credits. For example, the American Opportunity Credit is for families with children in their first 4 years of college. Also, Pickering suggests you ask if you qualify for the Earned Income Credit, which offers tax breaks for low-income working families.
The IRS estimates that 1 in 5 families that's eligible for the Earned Income Tax Credit doesn't claim it.
With a third of Americans yet to file their taxes, Pickering says it's also important to stay on top of what you owe and keep in contact with the IRS if you can't pay.
You can file for an extension of your tax return, and that can give you until October 15th to file your taxes, but it doesn't give you an extension to pay. If you really can't pay, though, you would still want to file your taxes, and you can come up with an online or just a payment plan with the IRS in order to reconcile the amount that you owe.
For more last-minute tax tips, visit hrblock.com.